Hi, welcome to Inspire UI. In this video, we'll show you how to download and install FluxBuilder. Go to our GitHub to download the latest drag-and-drop FluxBuilder tool. Scroll down and click the corresponding download link for Mac or Windows. Unzip and install it. On the Start tab bar, type FluxBuilder to open it. On GitHub, there is an available guide for FluxBuilder. Step 1 has just been completed. In the next video, we will show you how to create a new account on FluxBuilder and sign in. For macOS, we will just do the same. Go to our GitHub to get the latest drag-and-drop FluxBuilder tool. Download the macOS version. Unzip and install it. Press Command and Spacebar to open Spotlight Search, type FluxBuilder, then enter to open FluxBuilder. This is the guide for new users. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. you.